Hello, my name is Shahana Amir, and I'll be doing the week 13 reading preview. So, this week we started off by having a brief overview over Coulomb's law and Biot-Savart law. Then we went over to talking about Gauss's law for the electric field, Gauss's law for the magnetic field, the Faraday's law, and also the Maxwell Ampere's law. Then we talked about a very critical topic, which is electromagnetic radiation. So, to my understanding, electromagnetic radiation is basically light that you might see in a rainbow, or better, a double rainbow. So, it is very important that we talk about this because there are really only two ways we can move energy from place to place. One of those is using what's called a particle, so an object moving from a place to another place. Um, and another way is like moving a wave, which is very interesting about electromagnetic radiation because it's both about a particle and a wave. So we talked about this example here where we saw that the radiation pulse was moving outwards for a positive charge particle, and also for a negative charge it was just moving it's moving outwards for both of them, but for a negative charge we saw like the opposite what was happening in the positive charge. We saw that the electric field was perpendicular to the magnetic field, and there were in this example we saw like how the speed of light was actually basically the proportion of the electric field and the magnetic field. So here we can see we used the electric radiation formula to find this out, where we saw like the negative charge was moving upwards. Well, the positive charge was moving upwards because it's a positive charge, and it would just move the other way for a negative charge. Now let's get on to talking about like the things, main ideas that I've learned. Something I already knew was that, constant velocity has no radiation. You need the particle to be accelerating in order to get radiation. And something I learned very interesting was that concept of like the proportion, the speed of light, how speed of light was actually proportion of the electric field and the magnetic field, which I found was very interesting. And this could be related to a lot of things that we do in in real life, like we were told, like everything starting from using your telephone, computer, everything has some sort of electromagnetic radiation induced into it. Thank you so much, and yeah, I hope you like it.